Hello everyone and welcome to another video. We've recently partnered with Bitunix exchange, currently the best exchange for futures trading that doesn't require KYC verification, and which we and our students around the world, alongside Bybit and Binance, also use almost every day. As a part of this partnership, we arrange a 20% deposit bonus for all our followers and members, which you can use for futures trading. As you can see here in the chart, the bonus depends on the amount you deposit. For a $100 deposit, you get 20 USDT futures bonus. For 200 deposit, you're getting 40 USDT futures bonus. And it goes all the way up to $2,000, where you get a $400 USDT bonus, which you can use directly for futures trading and withdraw all the profits you earn. In addition to the deposit, you just need to make one trade for the bonus to be credited to your account. Bitunix as an exchange is also ideal for investing in cryptocurrencies if you're a beginner, and it's perfect for people living in regions where exchanges like Binance and Bybit have restrictions, such as USA, China, and other countries. Even if you already have an account on another exchange, it is worth opening one here just for the bonus and to see if futures trading is for you or not. Since no KYC is required, it only takes about 2 minutes to create an account, so you can try it out, see how it works, and watch this video until the end for the full tutorial. To open your account, you can go to bitunix.com and find Sign Up button. If you want to get trading bonuses and up to 50% discount on the fees, you can use the referral link that you can find in the description of this video, or just make sure that you use the referral code d and capital letters PMF. Enter your email address, create a strong password, accept Bitunix user agreement and privacy policy, and click on Sign Up button. You will get a verification code to confirm your email address. Type it in, and your account is ready. Click on Bitunix homepage, and you can start exploring the platform. Like any other exchange, if you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you just need to go to the spot account and find the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Since there is no KYC at this moment, first thing you need to do is to deposit assets. Click on the wallet, and you can find different options to deposit. One of the options is if you want to use your credit or debit card, you can find Buy Crypto and just follow the instructions. Or if you already have crypto on some of the other exchanges or the wallet, you can use Deposit Crypto. Click on the option Deposit on Chain, and you can select the coin you want to deposit. In this case, I'm gonna do USDT, select the network. I will use Ethereum since I'm sending from my MetaMask wallet, and you will get your address where you can send the crypto. I will send $1,020 just to get a bigger bonus, and once you send crypto to your account, you can find your crypto when you go to Wallet, Assets Overview. And it takes just a few seconds for assets to appear on our account. Besides the deposit, to get a bonus, we also need to do one trade. Since it's a futures trade, I will bring my assets from spot account to futures account. I need to click the button transfer, and I will transfer things from spot to futures account, all $1,020, and click submit. And as you can see, in just a few seconds, our assets are in our futures account. To trade futures, you need to go up and find futures, click, and you can see the platform that is similar like any other exchange platform like Bybit or Binance, and the fees are also similar like any other platform, and you can even get a discount on the fees if you use our referral link to sign up. To start futures trading, you just need to find crypto that you would like to trade. They have more than 700 different pairs. In this moment, we are following Ethereum, so that is what we're going to trade. And as you can see here, Ethereum had a very strong run up. Now it's having a little pullback, and it seems like it found a support on this purple line, which is 200 simple moving average on 1 hour chart. And we are looking for breakout of this trend for Ethereum continuation. Now I'm gonna show you how you can trade futures using different orders. As you could see here on the right side, you have limit, market, and trigger order. You use market orders if you want to buy at the same time. For example, I wanna buy 1 Ethereum using market order. I'm gonna click long, and I open my position. And you can see and close your position or change if you go just a little down. What we also like with Bitunix is that it is very easy to set up take profit and stop loss. For example, I want to set up my stop loss. I'm just going to draw a line a little down. Let's say I want to risk $20 for this trade to make $20, which is right here. For a limit order, you set the price at which you want to buy or sell. For example, Ethereum is now $3,670, but you want to buy only if it drops to $3,500. You will enter $3,500 and wait for the market to reach that price. As you could see, while I was talking about the limit order, the price hit my take profit goal, and I made around $20 in this trade. One more order that is worth mentioning for futures trading is trigger order. Trigger order is an order that activates only when the market reaches a certain trigger price. Example, you want to buy Ethereum only if it breaks above $3,700, because let's say your strategy signals that is your entry point. You set the trigger at 3,700, set how many Ethereums you want to buy, and when you press long, it only activates when that price hit. It is the same logic with shorting, just vice versa. Any open order that you have, like limit or trigger order, you can cancel if you go to open orders, and you can explore the platform, explore different orders, start small, don't overtrade, and you can try trading strategy from our crypto trading course. Overall, Bitunix has been rated 9.2 out of 10, currently supports over 700 different cryptocurrency pairs. It is ideal for futures trading and requires no KYC. So create your account, try out the platform, and with a 20% bonus, you can even test futures trading using just the bonus. If you end up liking Bitunix, you can continue trading and use it daily, just like we do. If you have any questions or need help, leave a comment below. Also, in the description of this video, you will find our free crypto course if you're a beginner and want to learn how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. Or you can also download our free ebook if you prefer reading. Thank you for watching.